We've all seen the viral TikTok trend of the fake window, but most people do it wrong. They buy a $40 projector that's too dim, has no contrast, and the rain ends up looking like blurry static. If you want that deep, moody, rainy NYC aesthetic that actually looks like a window and not a cheap projection, you have to understand the lighting and the hardware. I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up using the CineX Midnight Edition, and why the technical specs are the secret to making this look realistic. Step 1 is your placement. For a realistic window, you don't want the image centered on your wall like a TV. You want it slightly off-center or tucked behind a plant or a piece of furniture to mimic where a real window would be. This is where most projectors fail because they require a perfect, straight-on shot. The CineX Midnight has auto keystone and autofocus, which is a game changer for this setup. You can place the projector on a bedside table or a shelf at an angle, and it will automatically square the image so the window frame looks perfectly vertical. Step 2 is the black level test. This is where you see the difference between a toy and a real machine. To make a fake window look real, the blacks in the video, like the night sky or the shadows on the bricks, need to be deep. Because the CineX is native 1080p and pushes 330 ANSI lumens, the contrast ratio is high enough that the black parts of the projection actually blend into your dark wall. If you use a cheaper unit, you'll see a glowing gray box around your window, which ruins the illusion immediately. Step 3 is the software. You don't want to be tethered to a laptop with an HDMI cable running across your floor. The CineX runs Android 11 with Wi-Fi 6, so you can open YouTube directly on the projector, search for Rainy NYC 4K loop, and hit play. Because it has Bluetooth 5.4, you can hide a small speaker behind your curtains, or use your AirPods to get that immersive thunder and rain sound without any wires cluttering your window view. Now, let's talk about the investment. The Midnight Edition is $199, and I know that's more than the viral budget models, but you are paying for the brightness and the automatic sensors that make this look like a $500 setup. If you're on a stricter budget, you can still get the entry-level CineX for $69, which works great for smaller windows in a pitch-black room. Simplify Tech ships these worldwide for free, and unlike those random shops you see on social media, they back every unit with a full 6-month warranty. If you want to transform your room into a rainy Manhattan penthouse tonight, the link to the Midnight Edition and the base model is in my description. Stop staring at a blank wall and start building your vibe.